In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alchemy Markets on Tradingview. We'll move step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. By the end, you'll be able to place trades with Alchemy Markets directly from your Tradingview charts, which makes analysis and execution much smoother and faster. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account, or create one if you're new to the platform. Connecting a broker requires a Tradingview account, so make sure you're properly signed in before proceeding. Once you're on the main Tradingview homepage, look for the option called SuperCharts or Chart. It's usually located in the main navigation bar near the top of the page. Click that to open up the full-featured charting interface. This is the area where you'll be doing your technical analysis and also where you'll connect your broker. After the chart loads, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. This panel is where all of Tradingview's supported brokers are listed. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. If it's already open, you should see a row of broker logos and names. If you don't immediately see Alchemy Markets in that initial list, don't worry. Look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Click that to reveal the complete list of available integrations. This ensures you're not just limited to the few brokers shown by default. Now that the full list is visible, use the search bar inside the trading panel to find Alchemy Markets. Start typing the name Alchemy Markets, and the list should filter automatically. When you see Alchemy Markets appear in the results, that's the one you want. Next, click on the Alchemy Markets option to start the connection process. Tradingview will usually open a small window or prompt asking you to authorize and log in to your Alchemy Markets account. Carefully enter your login details on the official broker interface and confirm any permissions needed to connect your account to Tradingview. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, Tradingview should show Alchemy Markets as connected in your trading panel. At this point, your Alchemy Markets account is linked, and you can place orders, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from your Tradingview charts.